Hello friends, it's your favorite dysfunctional scientist here, and I'm going to tell you guys about the animal with the most complex language aside from humans. They're prairie dogs, and they can insult you. Probably have already. Prairie dogs are a form of ground squirrel found in the United States, and there's a population in Mexico. Before we get into it too much, the answer is yes, they are friends and friend-shaped. You can have one as a pet, but some of the wild ones carry plague, so be careful about that. Scientists have long noted that they have a complex range of vocalizations, and some spent decades trying to decode their language. They are the only known animal that is capable of forming complete sentences. These guys can describe the type of predator, they can say their own version of blue, yellow, big, small, shaped, round. They noticed this when they were describing people and the color of their clothing. Can you imagine spending all that time trying to learn a second language and you can only talk to prairie dogs? One question that I would have is why have such a complicated language? And the answer may lie in their social groups. They've evolved with large groups of animals and they have to keep each other safe. So knowing what kind of threat is actually approaching them could be valuable. But it certainly seems like a lot of complex thought for a squirrel. My best guess is we are going to find a lot of animals that have very complex language, we just never paid attention. Next up, I'll tell you guys about crows. They might be listening to your conversation. Really.